Right, hey everyone. So in this video we'll talk about discriminants of a quadratic equation. So if the discriminant is greater than 0, then there's two real solutions. If the discriminant is equal to 0, there's only going to be one real solution. If the discriminant is less than 0, that is, if it's negative, then there's going to be two imaginary solutions. And the formula for the discriminant, which is denoted by D in this video, equals to b squared minus 4ac in a standard quadratic equation, which is ax squared minus or plus or minus, or whichever thing you want to do, x plus c. So you just use this as a plus. There we go. So we're going to have 3 examples, one for each. The first example we're going to use is x squared plus 4x plus 7 equals to 0. So in this question we need to find the number of solutions there are to this quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 7. Using discriminant, we have b squared minus 4ac. So that's 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7. 16 minus 28, which is negative 12. So as the discriminant is negative 12 and it's negative, we have this one being true, which means we have two imaginary solutions. Okay. Now another example is x squared plus 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. We need to find the discriminant in this one as well. This one, a is equals to, b is equals to, and c is equals to 1, 3, minus 8 respectively. So to find the discriminant, we just use the same formula again. Discriminant equals to b squared minus 4ac. You can just memorize this formula. I mean, it's better to memorize it. 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 8, which is equals to 9 plus 32, which is probably 41. Now, as this is a positive number as a discriminant, there's going to be two real solutions, which is this one being true. Okay. Now lastly, try this equation, x squared plus 6x plus 9, which is basically a perfect squared trinomial. And for this one, I don't think I need to do a, b, and c's. You probably know. D equals to b squared minus 4ac to find the discriminant, equals to 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9, which equals to 36 minus 36, which equals to 0. Okay. Now in this one's discriminant equals to 0 is being true, which means it's only got one real solution. So it's got one real solution, and that's true every time you have a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square, just like this equation right here.